Hello, in this short tutorial video I'm going to give you a basic introduction to help you make recordings with your iPad using Garageband. Open Garageband. Click the plus sign for a new project. Select Audio Recorder and Voice. Change the setting to Narrator or Clean. On the left hand side is the input volume control. The default setting should be OK, but if things get noisy you can come back here and change the setting or select Automatic. You will almost certainly have to adjust the recording level in Lesson 3 when you record percussion. Tap plus at the top right hand side to make the length of your recording unlimited. In Settings, the cogwheel icon at the top of the screen, which sometimes appears as a spanner, make the tempo fit the poem. Tap in the box as you say it to get a good, steady tempo. Put headphones on. You're ready to record. Tap the red circle. You should hear the metronome click. If not, turn it on in Settings. You will get a 4-beat count in. Take your time and give the group 4 counts before they start. Let them repeat the line a few times. We will cut out any extra bits or mistakes later on. Make sure at least one of the times fits accurately with the beat. Tap the Tracks View icon at the top left-hand side of the screen. It looks like bricks in a wall. You should be able to see the spiky waveform from your recording. If it looks like the line on the left, it's probably too quiet. And if it looks like the line on the right, it's too loud. Tap the microphone icon to go back and adjust input volume and re-record. Listen to your recording, and if you're happy, it's time to record the next part. Before you do, mute the first track by dragging the left-hand margin into the middle of the screen, and it will give you the option to mute or to solo the part. Click Mute. Tap the plus sign at the bottom left-hand side of the screen to create another track. Repeat all of the steps above until you have a second line you're happy with. One reading is enough, but the longer you can record whilst keeping to the beat, the better. Repeat a third and a fourth time, each making a new track as above. Remember to mute the previous tracks after recording them. Now it's time to edit.